We start assembling the third layer, which is very important to us because here we also need to use the dimensions of the corners that will appear next to the window. We start the assembly from the middle of the panel, and let me remind you why, to give the facade greater stiffness. Here we have a half panel mounted, a whole panel here and a half panel again here, thanks to which the facade is stiffer. Now we have to use the joint height on this profile to know how to cut the corner. Let's measure the joint height and then put it in the corner to indicate the place where the joint will be.
Żeby sobie zaznaczyć, w którym miejscu wypada te łączenie fugi.
So the height is now marked and we need to measure everything from this line to this edge and cut it properly. Then, following the guide we just made, cut it using an angle grinder with a thin disc. Now we get the expected shape, which we should try to fit in the window recess. This way, we basically get the target finish. The top edge of the window recess will be also finished using external corners. For this, first measure the external length from one edge of the corner to the other edge of the corner, as well as the internal length from the inside of the corner to the inside of the other corner. In the case of internal dimensions, add 1 centimeter on each side for overlap. Here we have corners that are already prepared and that have been cut properly. They have the appropriate external and internal dimensions, where 1 centimeter on each side has been added. In the mounting sleeve, which will be at the top, make small drainage holes that will drain water from the facade, so that the water escapes to the outside of the facade and not under it. Here you can see how small these holes are. You can see that it looks neat, so we can go ahead and attach it.